Hey, welcome back to Work Autonomy. So today we're going to be talking about three work from home positions that are currently hiring at this time. These are country specific, so not only in the US, they do hire in other countries as well, and we'll discuss that. It's not fully worldwide, so that's why I'm emphasizing that point. But if you're interested in any of these jobs and you're eligible to apply, check the description box below for the link so you can go ahead and apply for the position. So the first job we're going to talk about is with Tesorio. And Tesorio is a accounts receivable software company. So what they do is they have a system or a tool that is able to calculate return on investments, and companies can go ahead and apply it to project what their return on investment will be. Right now, Tesorio is hiring for a customer technical support specialist, and you would have to work West Coast hours. This is a job that's available in the US, Canada, and Latin America. And what you'll do as a customer technical support specialist is you'll research, resolve, and respond to end users' issues, problems received via email and live chat, validate steps to reproduce the customer's concerns to confirm application behavior, ask clarifying questions to determine the nature of the problem, follow existing processes to document and report issues, prioritize, answer, and implement creative solutions for customers, respond to email messages, and answer calls from customers seeking help, participate in testing of new and updated products and provide feedback, walk customers through problem-solving processes and consult on workflow best practices, follow up with customers to ensure the issue has been resolved, log call issue information for record keeping, meet and maintain productivity goals and expected satisfaction rating from customers, identify areas to enhance existing processes and workflows, serve as a liaison and advocate for the customers to the rest of the CSM team and company, foster a collaborative environment where customers feel cared for, respected, and heard. And the qualifications required for this position is 3 to 5 years of technical support experience, software support or software as a service. 1 to 3 years of experience working in a remote environment is preferred, not required. 1 to 3 years of experience with a performance monitoring system, example Sentry, Splunk, Papertrail. 1 to 3 years experience writing SQL queries for large data sets, familiar with a support ticketing system such as Jira, excellence in writing and verbal communications as well as strong listening skills, ability to handle multiple priorities, perform in an effective and timely manner all the tasks required, work collaboratively with other departments, exhibit above average reasoning ability by clearly defining problems, analyzing data, establishing facts, and drawing valid conclusions. You are a true problem solver and have the ability to solve difficult issues with little supervision. Exceptional project management abilities, including time management, organization, and attention to detail, flexibility, and a willingness to operate thrive in a sometimes ambiguous environment. Some nice to haves is understanding of finance and accounting related business practices or subject matter. If knowledge is minimal, must be ready to learn quickly. Being able to speak knowledgeably about this topic is important. Understanding of an enterprise SaaS business model with experience in delivering and implementing SaaS solutions for enterprise customers. The ability to work multidimensionally and keeping all parties in mind, not just solving for one. A sense of humor, love of collaboration, and desire to always be learning. They want team members or team players with a great work ethic, technical education or equivalent systems experience, strong analytics and reporting skills. So some of the benefits inclusive with the role is competitive salary, comprehensive health insurance available, medical, dental, and vision for you and your family, long-term disability coverage, 401k plan, health and wellness stipend, paid vacation, sick time, and company holidays, team events, awesome co-workers, and plenty of snacks, choice of Mac or Windows laptop, also inclusive noise canceling headphones. So average salary, because there's not a salary available for this role, it's a compensation band usually around $50,000 to $67,000. So this is with Tesorio, their customer technical support specialist position within the countries of US, Canada, and Latin America. All right, next up we have a job with Array. And Array is a fintech platform. So this is a software as a service company. And what they do is they actually gain personalized credit and financial data for users. And right now, Array is hiring for a customer support specialist. Now, in this role, they don't actually specify the requirements, but they do go what the objectives are within that role in the space that we'll go ahead and cover. So, as a customer support specialist, what you're expected is once you get started, the first 2 months, you'll be training and working side by side with other support specialists to learn the ins and outs of Array, how the systems work, and the more advanced integration troubleshooting methods. Inbound inquiries and tickets, so support specialists split the majority of their time between taking inbound calls, slacks, email tickets from clients and developers. And they also provide some examples regarding what those questions that you would receive from either customers, clients, or developers. So you can actually read through those bullet points. And beyond the queue, as a support specialist, once you're comfortable with the day-to-day queue work, you'll be expected to continue your personal development and contribute to the team in other meaningful ways depending on your professional goals and team needs. Some of those ways are collaborating with the product and operational teams via Slack or their internal chat tool, developing new hires through one-on-one phone and email shadowing or facilitating training sessions, building, updating, and experimenting with your own Array integration to increase your understanding of the product, acting as a subject matter expert or stakeholder for a specific product or feature, updating internal documentation and providing regular feedback, presenting in team meetings. Now, when I checked on Glassdoor.com, average salary is around $56,000 to $57,000 for the customer support specialist. And then also the benefits that are inclusive with the role is full medical, dental, and vision premiums covered at 100% for employees and 50% for dependents, unlimited PTO and sick leave plus 14 company holidays to encourage a healthy work-life blend, in-house wellness concierge in partnership with Talkspace to support mental health, 100% 401k match with immediate vesting, generous and competitive parental leave for all parents, $1,000 desk setup subsidy to set up your unique remote office, $100 per month to subsidize Wi-Fi cell phone expenses. So again, as I mentioned, this is a company that does hire globally, but not all countries. So if you actually scroll down past the application process, they mention what countries they hire in. So as long as you're in one of these countries, which are 12 countries, you're good. So it's US, Canada, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Ireland, Israel, Denmark, Finland, Chile, Sweden, Czech Republic, and Norway. So again, this is the customer support rep position with Array, salary of $56,000 to $57,000. All right, and lastly, we have a job with Ava Labs. And Ava Labs is in the blockchain space. They have a system called Avalanche, and Avalanche allows anybody to easily produce their own multifunctional blockchains and decentralized applications. So right now, Ava Labs is hiring for a product support blockchain specialist. And what you'll do in this role is you'll support end-user inquiries and issues through Intercom. This includes issues with developer questions, subnet creation, blockchain transactions, answer level 2 questions regarding subnet creation, core wallet, nodes, and other technical products while escalating more complex requests. Write, edit, and maintain a vast library of how-to, informative articles, and other support documents regarding the Avalanche ecosystem. You'll collaborate with the product support team members in providing internal teams and external users with exceptional customer support and serve as subject matter expert. Report user feedback, suggestions, and trends occurring for users to appropriate teams. You'll also test, document, and report bugs in Avalanche products and related software hardware. Provide feedback loops to the product team using Product Board to capture and rank future requests. So the requirements that they have for this job will be a bachelor's degree in computer science. If not that, equivalent experience is fine. Experience in blockchain community engagement, Golang and or JavaScript competency, familiar with GitHub, Jira, Confluence, and other similar programs, experience with help desk ticketing platforms such as Intercom, ability to support users on social channels such as Discord, Reddit, and or Telegram, excellent problem solving and sleuthing skills, an ability to work independently and within teams alike, excellent empathy, active listening, and resiliency skills, strong organizational and time management skills, able to effectively manage multiple diverse and complex problems at the same time, exceptional client-facing and customer service skills including relationship building management and verbal communication, and DeFi knowledge preferred, not required. And this is the only company I would state that is global. So the reason I put that there is that they do mention they're a global world-class team of experts in a different range of fields. They have offices in New York and Miami. However, within the application process, they mention if you're able to work in your current country of residence without restrictions, then also they want you to provide what location you're in. So this is the only one I wasn't able to find any kind of country restrictions. So I would go ahead and try it. I wasn't able to pinpoint what countries are acceptable. So I would still go ahead and apply regardless of the country you're living in. And there is no salary that I was able to find specifically for Ava Labs, but for a product specialist, average salary is between $60,000 to $68,000. There's also benefits that are inclusive that they do mention on the previous page, so the link for the position will also include that, so you can take a look into their benefits page. But otherwise, this is all that I have for you guys at this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe so you get notified when I post new job opportunities. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next videos. Take care.